Hey y'all, it's Lunar. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to take off and land an airplane in VR chat. But, I have no clue what I'm doing. I'm kidding. I've played this before, but this is gonna be a long recording, and I'm gonna cut it to all the best moments of me flying the planes. Basically, a me failing compilation. The full video will be out, but I'm gonna cut it down to the worst parts. So, yeah. Woo! Here we go. Plane numero uno. So, I'm gonna have to, rejoin the world countless times. So, first, close the counting. Great job. Now we use that, and this? Well, this is gonna go great. Whoosh! That's already going great. Okay, so where am I? Okay, you just took off. Oh yeah, because that's, yeah, okay. Okay, I get this. Okay. So, questions, how do we land? Do we test that? Or, is that thing viable? But, I want to stall. There's a reason I'm never gonna be a pilot, y'all. I don't even know what this does. Are those weapons? Yeah, they are. Okay, so... Whoa. Great pilot, y'all. Great. No! Oh no, y'all. Let's try again. Ooh. What if we... I mean, what's the worst that could happen? Do you have enough speed to take off? I hope so. Oh, yep. Okay, I'm actually okay. But I can barely see anything. So, yeah. There's a city over there. Epic. So, I'm gonna assume we gotta go up. Though, there's probably gonna be a segment at the end of this video designated to a small update. So just be patient for that. I'm just gonna keep flying. I don't know, maybe I will post the whole thing. Cause yeah. Might edit a little bit, but yeah, I'll probably just post the whole thing. I need to get a new video up for you all anyway, because I think we've all noticed I haven't really been posting again. Which, my bad. But we're gonna just move this way. Let's go 360. Screw that. I could probably look below. Okay, gotten the handle of flying this thing, I think. The question is there autopilot? No. It's cruising, which is like autopilot, but, well, I think it is, I don't know. It's fine. Let's go loop the loop. Let's try to. was that thing? Oh, there's smoke that I can light. Headlights. Do nothing right now. Bomb. Oh, I can bomb the ground. Oh. Oops. It'd be so silly if I play this with more people, because then I can actually, like, bomb them and shit. Ooh, let's do that now. Let's like, make another video on this and just, for more people. That'd be really funny. Okay, so do we try landing this, though? Do you think I could land this, y'all? I mean, it can't be that hard, right? That's debatable, actually. I keep forgetting how you have smoke. We have to reverse the plane. Okay, let's see. Let's attempt a landing. So that's the runway, right? Yeah, that's the runway we came from. Lift! Oh gosh darn it. Oh no. Yeah, that's wild. Alright, so... Whoa. Okay, I did that. Yeah, that's really cool though. Does it slowly vanish? Oh yeah, it does. Okay. What plane should it respawned? But I think we're gonna try a different one for the landing thing until we're used to how it works. We're gonna try something simple. We're gonna try this plane, this propeller. I think it's yeah, it's a propeller plane. We're gonna try something simple. We can see from there. Whoops. It's fine. We're reversing, even though planes don't reverse. I'm really trying to figure out how close the canopy. There isn't one. Well, let's just try again with a different plane. We'll go to... We could try this blue one. Yeah. Boing. Here we go. Whoosh. This one's a bit faster, actually. Smaller, but more speedy. So that's the runway. That's our goal. So that's a thin enough runway to hold us fine, I think. So we're gonna... And once we figure out how landing works, we're gonna try to do that tunnel. Cause, like, why not? You know? Or we could try that now. Let's try that now. I mean, it's not like we're gonna have landing easy. This tunnel is not something we're gonna be retrying because it would take way too long. Because I don't think it's designed to be flown through. So we're gonna fly our way around. We're gonna fly over there and then fly around. So that'll make it easier to line up, and then we'll just see what we can do, I guess. This is probably like the most boring video on my channel. I don't care. I'm just having fun. I'm just here to survive, y'all. Plus, I do need to give you guys something to watch. I've been dealing with a lot recently, and I've just not had the time to post or the mental stability to do so. So, you know, please just accept that. Oops. You know, please accept my absence with a grain of salt. I am not doing it intentionally. It's just how things are going right now. What's even in here? Is there just nothing in here? Yep, just nothing. So, now the landing idea. So, we should try something small to start with. Ooh, look at this plane. It's simple, but like, good option. It's taking a part of the runway. Small and easy, my ass. How am I landing this? If it's taking off without the runway, how's it gonna land with the runway? Oh, good. And this third. Okay, listen, if I successfully landed, I think that's just success in itself. This thing is uncontrollable. Yo. Let's try this. Well, that was surely an attempt. Where's the runway I was trying to land? I was trying to land on the red one. Oh god. Okay. Hey, it's a start. I mean, it can only get better. Hopefully. Let's try again. Oop. Oh my god, we're using a different plane each time, I swear. This is the wrong one. Whoops. There we go. So, thank you. First flash cable, brake, God hold, hook gun, and smoke gearbox. Gotcha. Here we go. Up and away. So we're up. Now, our goal is to get back down safely. Using the red runway. I'm gonna keep using the red one, so that's like even chances of survival for each plane. Apart from like the plane type, I guess. So we're gonna. No, why not? This one's landing way better. Never mind, it's not. Spin. Up. If I could fly it, that would help. Okay. It's gonna be a long ass video I'll have to edit because I won't know what I'm doing. I have to cut out so much stuff because it's just boring. See, I would say my editor, but what? Okay then. I would say my editor would have to cut out so much, but I edit for myself. So technically I'd just be referring to myself in the third person. New. Again! Gotta be closer. What? Oh wait, am I clipping the... Yep, I'm clipping it. Whoops. Waving on a jet plane. I don't know where this is. Great. We're stalling. How did I get us out of a stall? Yet I can't land the damn plane. Wild, bruh. Okay. Fuck. Up. There we go. Now we're gonna go around. Also, y'all, I forgot to say, if I sound off, I am sick. So just, you know, find it. Actually, you know what? I might as well work on these updates while I crash planes repeatedly, because I'm not good at this. Sorry. Excuse me. Basically, welcome back. Basically, the Helm Month video is edited. We're just waiting on the thumbnail. Helm Month has been extended into November because not many recordings were finished due to the fact not everyone could make it. So please just be patient with us. We're working on it. The time zones and stuff don't make it easy. I will be working more on my own videos, which if you've noticed, I'm kind of already doing that. I bought new equipment today, but then realized it didn't suit the equipment I already had, so I'm still working off of a crappy old computer. Don't worry, I assure you, I am working to get better equipment by hopefully January. For my Australians out there, that would be if it's winter and summer, so that would be like May, June, July kind of time. I don't know. But I'll be working on it. I'm also working on the Stardust Daycare, as we have an issue with one of the actors, well, two of the actors, and they're both not involved anymore, so that's been delayed till I can find replacements. I'm starting another show called the Smiling Critters Show. More info on that will be posted at some point. If you saw the community notes, I am looking for more games to play. And I've already explained the whole helmet situation there. So, you know, keep an eye on my community notes, y'all, if you want updates, because, you know, making videos just for updates is great, but not many people actually end up watching them. So just if you're interested in updates on my personal life or just what's going on with videos, just please check the community posts. Don't really know what else to tell you apart from that. Like, there's not much going on in the line of YouTube right now. I mean, I was considering making a video on the whole TM, KSI, Logan Paul, and Mr. Beast drama, but then realized there was not really a point because a lot of people have already done it, and that would require a lot of research, which I don't have the time to do, I don't think. I was working on a Danny's World video, but then I realized I couldn't record it properly. So, overall, not doing too great, y'all. We're working on it. So just give me, well, I will find a way to record more, but for the time being, you're gonna have to be extremely patient with me, because, yeah, I know, it takes time. I was considering doing a few Twitch streams at some point, but again, I need to find time. Now, I have a whole week of doing nothing, so I might fit in a stream or two. It really depends, I don't know. So just keep an eye out for that. Yeah. That's like all I can really say about stuff going on, though. And I am really failing landing these planes. I've been trying on the same one for ages. I've just been yapping. But yeah, that's like all the updates I can really give you. I was gonna do a segment at the end, as I mentioned, but nah. It's easier just do it all here and then just have you all, you know, comment on it, like see it early. And if you have anything you want to say or anything, you know. I have been considering doing like Q&A at some point, so if you want to see that, please let me know, because like I don't know if people would want to see that or not. I saw your comments on the Helmut video, and you know, they make me laugh to read it every time. I didn't think it would get that much attention, but I'm really glad that you all liked it. I'm gonna keep trying to post, you know, content like that, but again, it will take time, so have patience with me. Aside from that, well, yeah, that's about it. I have been working on trying to go through my own personal videos from VR chat and stuff to the compilations of the best moments in my history with VR chat, which has been difficult because a lot of them were really bad personal jokes. So I might not do that, but yeah. Okay, am I ever gonna land this plane? Like, I genuinely cannot land this plane. Alright, let's try again. Okay, we're gonna go around here. Do a U-turn. Not big enough U-turn. See, now we're sideways. That's not good. What if we tried... No, I said I'd do the red one. At the same time, I can change runways and have a better shot. Obviously, this is a simulation. I ain't worried about if it crashed or not, but like... We're gonna see me land, not necessarily see me fail miserably repeatedly for like half an hour. What are the chances? What are the odds? This is the last time I'm gonna try it, because, you know, I can't be recording for years, like... Whoosh. Okay. Is this our shot? Is this the shot? Is this the shot? No. Well. Well, y'all, I'm gonna leave it here, because it's late. I'm tired, and I got some stuff to do. Which, I will have this edited and posted as soon as I can. It will probably only take a day, since I have so much free time. So, I'll see you all when the Hell Month 2 video comes out. Very excited for that. Hope this little update and, stupid me flying plane stuff is, I don't know, entertaining? I don't know. It's better when there's more people. I need to do more recordings with people that isn't related to Hell Month. That's something I gotta kind of work on. But aside from that, I'll see you all when I see you, and have a great day, night, evening, whatever. Just have a great time. Adios.